I don't think we really cook to live. We live to cook.
In this episode, we are in front of Lucia, in the city center of Rotterdam.
We came to study here and we had a mutual friend who was like, I have a friend who studies here too. I think you're really going to like her. We started by cooking together.
Yeah. And then we connected on our first trip to Chinatown. I'm Mohini, I'm 19 years old, I'm half German, half Indian.
I'm Sao. I'm also 19 years old, fully Vietnamese, but born and raised in Germany.
Soll ich es nochmal schneiden? Ist nicht schlimm, dann benutze ich das weiter.
Both of us really love exploring around town, try to find the best deals or the best places to get groceries, and that's just Chinatown in Rotterdam. And then, we went to Chinatown, and you could just tell the energies matched really well.
We just browsed all the shops and ideas came popping to our minds all the time.
Every 10 minutes,
we have to make this, and then we came up with the list. We collected very diverse dishes.
I think cooking with someone is the main way to see how well you actually get along. If you can do that, then you could do most things.
We're making Vietnamese summer rolls, and it's basically rice paper with a bunch of ingredients inside rolled up.
Now I pressed all of the moisture out of the tofu. I'm marinating the tofu, so we're doing a really basic sauce, just soy sauce, garlic, and then honey. But we need rice vermicelli.
Make the peanuts a bit smaller, and they go on top later.
So you can see how beautifully it soaked up the soy sauce. Look how big this is. I think these are done now. Okay. And then you roll it up like this. Okay,